Welcome to another episode and video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux and the robot operating system. Connected by band cable to a breadboard with electronics and a serial cable via the Raspberry Serial Plus board to Minicom serial terminal. And as I said, this is breadboard. Having electronics, some fischertechnik components, from top to bottom, pulses modulated, driven motor with propeller. Then in the middle a phototransistor, and on and in the bottom an LED. Last time I decided to start all over and create a new package, ROS package, because of some mysterious events happening and I couldn't really solve them. I thought I'd start right over. So what's a nice idea? Well, with all the probes attached, voltage divider from the phototransistor, button level, power level, then signal to the LED and a signal to the LED, and everything to the oscilloscope, of course. Does this still work the way it should? Well, only one way to find out: run it. And I'm curious that it will run, because while booting the Raspberry Pi 2, I have a problem, and that problem is that it doesn't activate the network card. Well, it is activated, just not assigned. There's no IP address assigned to it. So I forced an IP address, and I will show you later in the screencast how I did it and how I hope that it will work. So now fingers crossed that things will work. I'll have to prepare one more thing. In the second terminal I have to source the setup. Then make, or not make, but ROS run the publisher and subscriber. And then okay, one letter change, and now I will run run the publisher. And then I find something odd, and I will show you. Alright, so I am in a VNC environment, and while I do have everything working, well, not everything. In this Minicom terminal, it is booting until, well, almost until network, because here you can see that the networking is not working. Internal address ETH0 is blank.
in the sense that it does not have an IP address, it just has a MAC address and the INET 6 address, but I can't do that. Then it says it goes to query the attached cameras, but you can see here and here that I do have cameras. Then it turns out that ROS is not working because of the network setup, and that means that I can't start the publisher and I can't start the subscriber. What can I do? I tried to start the networking, and even the most basic thing like if up, which is a command that you use to forcibly start the interface, network interface, is failing. So if that is all there is with this is reachable, and ROS is not working because of network, things tend to end a bit. And well, I can do it again, of course. Restart, and it says in order to resolve the host. So this is the host, and it can't do that. Can I do ping Ubuntu? No, because network is not running. So how do we cope with this situation? The only thing that I can do, but try it again, is going back into time. This is what you can see if I boot the Raspberry Pi. Lots of information, lots of hardware information, starting, and right then it should say, alright, we are going to start the network. Not happening. And then we enter here. Is there anything else? Well, maybe reboot once again. That means that I have to shut down everything in here, which is not in use anyway, because Ubuntu, not Ubuntu, but ROS isn't running. So this camera view you have seen before, and then this package which I started last time and which has a problem building anyway. Is it connected? I don't think so. I've had the network issue before, by the way, and then for some reason it resolved. This being the schematics you've seen before. With the probes, well, this is originally a fault meter, but I use it as sample of the probe. So it is there, but I can't use it right now. So what I'm going to do, the only thing left is reboot again and try to resolve it. So let's do that. Alright, now with the electronic schematics as a background. I have booted and I checked on the Raspberry Pi, and each network adapter has two lights. One shines orange, the other shines green, and can trigger upon activity, and that indicates that it should be working. That does it. The only thing I can test is, well, let's do it simple. This, which says no way, there is no active connection. So I'm afraid on what's going to happen now. So I will possibly assign this, and it says again, unable to resolve host Ubuntu. Connection refused, but we can read. I can start the VNC environment. And the display name Ubuntu 1 because it can't resolve the host. But if I can, right, I should say host name. It says Ubuntu, but host is network, host name is not. Host name is a system call, system command, and apparently it doesn't work, not that well. So then let me start this one. Well, this is VNC viewer. This is the network address I assigned to it, and it should be sent automatically, but it isn't. Giving the command, no. It starts, but then again, it won't start ROS. So let me first, without anything else, try that. And usually I already do this in the setup, so you won't see it. But now I will try. Now I will do this so you can see whatever goes ahead, or before I show the whole thing. This works. Starting the ROS bar. Will this work? It won't. Network is not giving in. And this also means that a second thing that I could try is thing, thing, ROS.org, turn on host. So, lesson learned is that you cannot start Ubuntu, you cannot start ROS, the operating system, without having a working network. You cannot. Which is somewhat surprising to me, that apparently I didn't know everything of ROS. And lesson learned, you need a working network service. So, how to continue? I have no idea. Because I restarted after last episode, I nicely took it down. Although the package that I created, the mechatronics the mechatronics package, had a problem building, which has nothing to do with this problem, but it is added to it. This is added to problem. Is this the end? I do not hope so. Do I have to reinstall everything? I do not hope so. And that is good. Web network, it's off. Okay. Can't test anything then? No, I can't. And with that, unfortunately, I have to try again for next time. Exit ROS 4. Won't work. Okay. What next?
So where does this leave us? Well, as said, it's not working, unfortunately. I hope to fix it next time, have it fixed next time. If not, I'll have to reinstall the whole thing. It happened before and it resolved itself, so who knows. Physically it's not broken. I checked the interface, so apparently there's something else. And with that I'm saying goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. I always answer comments. You can also follow me on Twitter. If so, retweet and like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Like and give a comment, please. Please visit my website. Lots of videos, pictures and links to other stuff. My blog as well, with lots of other projects mentioned in it. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. Much appreciated, any donation. For more information, please see my website. And also please see my website for becoming a patron and have your name mentioned, or just on my website, or with the video, depending on the pledge you make. Also more information on my website and on my Patreon site. And this is hopefully to be continued. For now, thank you for watching. Bye bye.